Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Iron Man on electric guitar easily. We'll begin by tackling the legendary main riff, which is surprisingly simple once you understand the power chord shapes. You'll primarily be using the first 3 frets on your low E and A strings. Remember to start at a very slow tempo, perhaps around 60 beats per minute, to ensure each chord change is clean and precise before speeding up. Let's dive into the foundation of this riff, power chords. These are 2-note chords consisting of a root and a perfect fifth played on adjacent strings. To form one, place your index finger on the root note, then your ring finger 2 frets higher on the next string. It's crucial to mute any unused strings with your fretting hand to achieve that signature thick, heavy sound. Practice forming these shapes cleanly. Now, let's talk about the rhythm, which is key to making the riff sound authentic. The main Iron Man riff features a distinct dotted 8th note rhythm. I recommend practicing with a metronome set to a slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, to really lock in. Try counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and out loud as you play. This will help you internalize the precise timing and feel of the song. To truly master this riff, consistent practice is your best friend. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice each day. As your accuracy and comfort improve, gradually increase your metronome speed by 5 to 10 beats per minute. Don't forget to listen to the original Black Sabbath track frequently. This helps you internalize the feel, dynamics, and overall vibe of the iconic song.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.